Hola, bienvenidos a la lección 1. Today we are going to start off learning the alphabet, the Spanish alphabet, how to pronounce the letters in the Spanish alphabet. Some things I want you to pay attention to before we begin. Number 1, there are 30 characters in the Spanish alphabet, not just 26 like there are in our English alphabet. Please pay special attention to the CH, which is a character, to the double L, which is a character, the N with the tilde over it, that's another character, and the double R, that's another character. We're going to go through our pronunciations of each letter, and through it, on the special ones, I will maybe stop and help you through those. So first, let's go over these. A, A. B, B. Notice I'm saying be, and I'm not saying bay, I'm saying be, e. C, se. Che, this is the CH, che. D, de. E, e. F, F. G, G. H, H. I, E. J, J. K, K. L, double L, ella. M, N, This is called the enye, the N with the tilde over it, enye. Pronounce as if you say the word onion, enye. O. Now notice the sound is similar to the one in English, except for you want to make your O short and crisp. O, as opposed to O. P, pe. Q, ku. R, there's two R's. This is a single R. We're going to give this a short roll. So we're going to say ere. The double R, notice that I put them in lowercase because this always appears in the middle of words. You never see a double R at the beginning of words. But this gets a long roll. So it's R. Don't worry if you can't roll your R's yet. We'll go over that in the future. S. T. U. V. W has more than one pronunciation. Some people will say W. Some people will say W. Some people will say W. So you're going to have more than one pronunciation for this. Use the one where the people in your area say it the most. W or W. I'll say W. X. Y. Y. Z. Zeta. Zeta. So those are the alphabet. I am going to go over them one more time, and I'm going to go straight through without repeating, and hopefully you can follow along with me on the alphabet. One thing that I did want to mention about the double L is that some people would say eje and others would say eye, like it's a Y. It depends on the region that the people speak. It depends on their pronunciation. So follow along wherever you are, whoever is around you speaking, follow their technique of how they pronounce it, okay? Now, one more time over the alphabet. We're just going to go straight through. Follow along. A. B. C. Ch. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. L. M. N. N. O. P. Q. R. R. S. T. U. V. W o W. X. Y. Z. So there goes your Spanish alphabet. Practice. Make sure you memorize them. And in the next lesson, we're going to learn spelling. Talk to you soon. Bye.